Are you looking for a custom PC build in Pelham, Ontario? JTG Systems has got you covered. JTG Systems provides quality custom PC builds that are tailored to your specific needs. With years of experience, you can trust that your PC will be built with the highest quality hardware and software. Whether your needs are for gaming, streaming, or general computing, we can create the perfect build for you. Plus, our competitive prices and superior customer service make us the go-to source for all your custom PC needs. Don't wait. Call JTG Systems today at 905-892-4555 for your custom PC build in Pelham, Ontario.